Ever wondered why mosquitoes seem to prefer some people over others? It's a question that has puzzled many a summer barbecue goer. Picture this: a warm summer night, the sizzle of the grill, the laughter of friends, and then, out of nowhere, the unmistakable buzz of mosquitoes. Yet, while some of us become a feast for these pesky insects, others seem to be blissfully ignored. This intriguing phenomenon isn't a matter of chance or luck. Instead, it's a complex dance of biology and behavior, driven by factors we're only beginning to understand. From the intricate world of mosquito sensory perception to the subtle cues we unknowingly give off, a myriad of elements play a role in determining who becomes the mosquito's chosen target. So prepare for an enthralling journey as we delve into the science behind mosquito behavior. We'll unravel the mysteries of why mosquitoes bite some more than others. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of mosquitoes and uncover the secrets of their biting preferences. To understand why mosquitoes bite some people more than others, we first need to see the world from a mosquito's perspective. Imagine being a creature so small, your world is dominated by smells, heat, and the rhythmic beat of a heart. Your life, in essence, revolves around two primary quests: survival and reproduction. Let's talk about a mosquito's life cycle, which starts as an egg hatching in stagnant water. From the larva to the pupa, and finally the adult mosquito, it's a journey of continual transformation, fraught with dangers. But the real game changer is when the mosquito reaches its adult stage. Here's where things get interesting, and also a bit specific. You see, it's not all mosquitoes that are out for your blood, only the females. Why is that? Well, female mosquitoes need the protein in blood to produce their eggs. It's not that they relish a good blood meal. It's more about fulfilling a biological necessity. They need to lay their eggs and ensure the survival of their species. When it comes to feeding, mosquitoes are not particularly choosy. They'll bite birds, reptiles, mammals, and yes, humans too. But they don't just land on anyone randomly. They're attracted to the carbon dioxide we exhale, the heat our bodies radiate, and the lactic acid on our skin. It's like we're sending out an irresistible, all-you-can-eat buffet invitation to these tiny creatures. But here's a fascinating twist. Not all humans are created equal in the mosquito kingdom. Some of us are more appealing to these critters than others, and the reasons for this are as complex and varied as the mosquitoes themselves. Now that we've got a sense of how mosquitoes live and feed, let's delve into why they might prefer some tasty humans over others. Believe it or not, your body chemistry plays a significant role in making you a mosquito magnet. The factors that make you an alluring feast for these buzzing pests are incredibly diverse, and some might surprise you. First and foremost, let's talk about blood. It's a common myth that mosquitoes are attracted to sweet blood. However, the truth is quite different. Studies have shown that mosquitoes actually have a preference for certain blood types. Specifically, they seem to be drawn to individuals with type O blood. So if you're of this blood type, you might find yourself swatting away mosquitoes more often than your type A or B friends. Next, let's turn up the heat. Literally. Your body heat can be a beacon for mosquitoes, especially if it runs on the warmer side. These insects are guided by their senses, and one of the things they sense is heat. They use it to determine where a potential source of blood meal is. So, individuals who radiate more body heat, perhaps due to a higher metabolic rate, might find themselves the prime targets of a mosquito's bite. But there's more. You see, every time we breathe out, we emit carbon dioxide. And guess what? Mosquitoes find the scent of carbon dioxide absolutely irresistible. This gas acts like a dinner bell for mosquitoes, signaling them that a potential meal is nearby. So, people who exhale more carbon dioxide, perhaps due to their size or level of physical activity, are more likely to get bitten. In essence, your blood type, body heat, and the amount of carbon dioxide you emit can make you a veritable mosquito magnet. These factors, combined with other elements of your body chemistry, contribute to why some of us seem to be more prone to mosquito bites than others. But that's not all. There's another factor that can make you irresistible to these buzzing pests. Your personal scent, determined by your genes, can either make you a mosquito's dream dinner or help you dodge the biting bullet. Dive into the world of scent and mosquitoes, and you'll find a fascinating interplay of chemistry and biology. Much like a master sommelier, mosquitoes use their keen sense of smell to pick out their next meal. And in this aromatic buffet, some people are more enticing than others, thanks to the specific chemicals exuded by their skin. It's your skin's unique cocktail of acids, proteins, and bacteria that creates your personal scent. And certain elements of this olfactory signature are like a neon sign for mosquitoes. One of the most compelling chemicals for these bloodsuckers is uric acid. Produced naturally by our bodies and excreted through sweat, uric acid is a beacon for mosquitoes, drawing them in like moths to a flame. It's not just uric acid that attracts these pesky insects. Other substances such as lactic acid, ammonia, and certain fatty acids can also act as mosquito magnets. Even the bacteria on our skin can play a role. Different types of bacteria produce different scents, and some are more appealing to mosquitoes than others. But what if you're one of those people who seem to rarely get bitten? Well, you might just have a less attractive scent to mosquitoes. Certain compounds in our sweat can actually repel these insects. For instance, a study found that people who produce higher amounts of a compound known as 6-methyl-5-heptane-2,1 were less likely to be bitten. So it's not just about how much you sweat, but what's in your sweat. Your personal scent, shaped by your genetics, diet, and even the bacteria on your skin, can determine whether you're a mosquito's dream meal or a dining disaster. In this aromatic dance, it's clear that our scent plays a significant role in mosquito attraction. However, it's not the only factor at play. After all, mosquitoes don't have the luxury of picking their meals based solely on smell. So, your scent can indeed make you a mosquito magnet. But what about your surroundings? The environment you're in can also play a role in how attractive you are to mosquitoes. Yes, you heard it right. Even the clothes you wear can make you more appealing to these tiny bloodsuckers. Mosquitoes primarily rely on their vision, especially later in the day, and are more likely to spot you if you're wearing darker clothes. So, if you're planning an evening picnic or a night out camping, you might want to rethink wearing that favorite black tee. But it's not just about what you wear. What you consume can also make you a prime target. Ever noticed how you seem to get bitten more after enjoying a cold beer on a hot day? Well, that's not a coincidence. Studies suggest that mosquitoes are more attracted to people after they've consumed alcohol, particularly beer. The exact reason is still a mystery, but researchers believe it could be due to increased ethanol content in sweat or even the higher body temperature that results from alcohol consumption. You might be thinking, I can just stay indoors, right? Unfortunately, it's not that simple. Mosquitoes aren't just outdoor pests. They thrive in warm, humid environments, which means your cozy, air-conditioned home might be just as inviting to them as the great outdoors. Mosquitoes can breed in any stagnant water source, from a neglected birdbath in your backyard to the tiny water puddle in your indoor plant tray. Remember, mosquitoes have survived for millions of years by adapting to their environments. They're hardwired to find the best conditions and hosts to ensure their survival. While it may seem like they have the upper hand, understanding these environmental factors can give us an edge. We can make ourselves less attractive to mosquitoes by wearing lighter-colored clothing, being mindful of our alcohol consumption, and diligently removing potential breeding grounds at home. So, while we can't change our body chemistry or our genes, being aware of these factors can help us keep those pesky mosquitoes at bay. So there you have it, the science behind why mosquitoes might prefer you over your friend at the summer barbecue. In our journey to unravel this mystery, we've discovered that it's a complex interplay of factors. Your unique body chemistry, which includes the cocktail of compounds you secrete through your skin, can make you an irresistible feast for these buzzing critters. The scent you give off plays a crucial role as well, with certain fragrances being more appealing to mosquitoes than others. And let's not forget the environmental factors that can amplify your allure, from the clothes you wear to the beer you drink. In essence, if you're a mosquito magnet, it's not because you're sweeter, but because you're a perfect storm of mosquito attractions. So next time you find yourself being the main course for mosquitoes, remember, it's not you, it's them. Until next time, stay curious.